Terry. Today, kind of cool and clear, not a lot going on, but this weekend, some rain.
Some rain, yeah. I don't think it's going to be a major storm, and I think it's going to be out of here, so it's just a tomorrow deal, so it's sort of a split decision right on the weekend. Cool. Yeah, it should be better on Sunday, but it'll be blustery then, too. I love this picture that Sarah had on this morning, and it's from Rob Wright, showing Venus. Then underneath that, Jupiter. Venus was very bright this morning, and then Jupiter, and way down here you can just see the moon setting there. So that was quite an interesting picture this morning. Well, we still haven't had the first inch of snow in Boston yet. Season total is 0.2 of an inch, and the latest that we had the first inch of snow in Boston was February 14th in 2007. Last year, we had it on December 9th, we had the first inch. So we're still waiting, and the less than 1 inch through January 7th. Look at this. The year 2000, hardly any snow had fallen at this point up through January 7th. It looks like we're in number 2's position this year through January 7th, still only 0.2 of an inch, so we'll have to see what happens. Looks like next week there's a chance there will be some snow. A couple of systems will be following very closely. 45 in Boston, really nice out there. Even though the sun isn't super bright, there's a veil of high cloudiness in the sky, making look a little bit milky out there. These are the temperatures across the northeast right now, and we're looking at a very pleasant day as high pressure moves offshore. We are looking at storms to the southwest of that high right in here, and it looks rather impressive. It looks like something that would give us kind of a big storm this time of the year, like we had last year on this date. A super intense storm with record high tides, lots of snow and wind and that sort of thing. But this system is going to take a track more to the south, so we're going to be in the northern fringe of that particular storm. So high temperatures tomorrow should be in the low to middle 40s along the coast, 30s farther inland. It'll be rather nice across most of the nation. Tomorrow. It looks like pretty warm weather across most of the country. But what about the rain? How far is that going to get? There's a little bit of a question mark on just how far north it's going to get. I think it's going to go a little bit farther to the north than what this imagery is showing here, but nevertheless, looks like it may come in waves tomorrow, and so we'll get some rain at times. And if it's cold enough and it penetrates back in here, it could be in the form of some icing going on. Right now, I think we have a shot at up 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain right along the northern border of Massachusetts, to working up to 1/2 inch to 1 inch as you get south of the Mass Pike. That's the latest thinking right now. And if this precipitation does penetrate into this part of New England, there could be a little bit of freezing rain going on there. Something we'll be watching, and Eric will have another report on that for you tonight at 5, 6, and 11 o'clock. So the forecast for the weekend is calling for some rain at times across southern New England. Could be some icy spots to the northwest. Then it's going to be breezy as a cold front goes by here on Sunday. A changeable sky of clouds and sunshine. Then next week, we're looking at one system coming along with a chance of some snow and rain here on Tuesday. That doesn't look like it's going to be a major storm. That should go out to sea. But a second system is going to drop in on Wednesday to give us another shot of some rain and snow. So it's indeterminate where the rain-snow line is going to be on both those systems on Tuesday and Wednesday. So something we'll be giving you following through the weekend, see how that all is going to shape up for us. But tomorrow it should be raining across southern New England. Then it's partly sunny, windy, and getting colder on Sunday, and a really cold day coming up on Monday. Brianna?